Finmeccanica is Italy's leading manufacturer in the high-technology sector and ranks among the top 10 global players in aerospace, defense. Through AgustaWestland, Finmeccanica is a leader in the design and manufacture of helicopters and tilt rotors. 2014 was another successful year in a decade of continuous growth, with double-digit of profitability since the company has been established. In particular, customer support and training revenues are constantly increasing. AgustaWestland is delivering the right support and training, where and when is needed. AgustaWestland, through the Fitman project, is committed to develop and test smart and digital trials, in order to apply the best practices to work on the final assembly line. The final assembly line is the location in which helicopters are manufactured. The final assembly line is responsible for creating processes that center around reliability and efficiency, both in the supply and management of materials and in guaranteeing quality during the assembly and delivery to the final customer. This follows one of the main principles of the quality management system: think customer. The key activities carried out in the final assembly line are assembly of AgustaWestland helicopters and their delivery to the final customer. Daily monitoring of the production progress, verifying the constraints in terms of availability of materials and production media. Production scheduling, with corresponding analysis of constraints and proposal of the alternative solutions, with respect to consolidated business plans. Quality check on the assembly methods and painting activities related to the helicopter. Management of the non-conformities in the completion phase, coordination of the activities for fixing them through corrective actions. Improvement of the information flow between AgustaWestland production organization and design organization, and translating that information flow into working documents towards the AgustaWestland organization and the suppliers, in order to allow the correct execution of the activities related to the assembly realization of production tools.
Hi, my name is Maurizio Crespi and I am one of the electroavionic instructors in AgustaWestland Training Academy. As an avionic instructor, I always have to deal with training of technicians and with the problem of FOD in the assembly line and in the maintenance environment. FOD is one of the problems that may cause very, very critical incidents and accidents to helicopters and to airplanes. And for this reason we have to take care very much of the training of people, especially as far as human factor is concerned. In order to be ready to teach correctly the people about FOD and human factor related to FOD, it's important to have good knowledge of the different accidents and case studies about these problems. So it's an important factor to train the instructors on how these accidents happen and why those accidents happen. So it's important to know how to prevent FOD problems, and one of the actual possibilities is the use of smart toolboxes, where people have to insert correctly and return correctly the tool used in order to have the possibility to close the working phase. So at AgustaWestland we are doing this trial with Fitman, that is a project which involves the use of smart toolbox connected in a network in the final assembly line, so that we can know how many tools have been missed in the place, or how many objects have not been returned to the correct place, and so that we can easily prepare a training path for the engineers and the maintenance people for the reduction of possible problems related to FODs. So now we are able to provide our students with, and our engineers of course, with the correct training in order to improve efficiency and to reduce the possibilities of errors and problems during the production and the maintenance of our helicopters, in order to, at the end, increase the safety of the product and the safety of our helicopters.